Hello, today I'm in BMW M8. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. You can firstly use front wipers once by pulling this lever downwards. Then you can put it in auto mode. And also you can adjust the auto mode by twisting the button located in the middle of the lever. Next you can enable front wipers in slow mode by pushing the lever upwards, and again in fast mode by pushing it again upwards. To disable front wipers, set it to 0 position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.